I got a giant owl outside that has flown over my head twice. I think it was trying to pick up my kitty cat, baby Keeks. Let's see if I can get it on video. Where'd you go, Mr. Owl? Where did you go? Oh, oh, where did you go? Where did you go? You flew over my head twice. Now I want to see you again. Where did you go, Mr. Owl? You flew over my head twice. I want to see you again. Dude, he's so quiet. Like, I didn't know he was flying over my head until, like, he was barely, like, I couldn't see him anymore. Like, they are fast and quiet. And I swear he was trying to pick up my kitty cat. I wish he'd come out again. I'm gonna switch the camera up. Maybe I'll get him. Where are you at, Mr. Owl? I shouldn't misgender him. Maybe it's a female. It was just so goddamn big. A huge owl. I thought it was a goddamn pterodactyl flying over my head, but it was actually an owl. I was about ready to call National Geographic and tell them that I've discovered a pterodactyl in Bethalto, Illinois. But then I reconsidered when I realized it was an owl. Come on, Mr. Owl, where you at now? You need to fly over my head again. You need to fly over my head again. Damn it. Where'd you go, buddy? Let's see if he's up in the trees. Is he on my ceiling? My ceiling, my roof. Where'd you go, big dog? I know you around. Where you at, Mr. Owl? Fly over my head again. Alright, I know what's gonna happen the second I stop recording. The big bastard's gonna fly over my head again.